What is new, everyone? Welcome back. I'm Cécilia, wellness coach at Wild Serenity Wellness. In today's video, we're going to learn about the 4-7-8 breathing technique. I love this pranayama because it's a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system and it's a quick and efficient way to relieve stress. And now if you're ready, let's start. I recommend to practice this technique twice a day for no more than 4 breath cycles in a row. And when you get more experience with it, you can go up to 8 breath cycles. If you happen to feel lightheaded during your practice, just stop and resume your normal breathing. Do not practice pranayama if your lungs are congested or if you experience shortness of breath. Stop your practice if you feel any strain or discomfort. If you have any chronic medical condition, always seek advice from your doctor. To use the 4-7-8 technique, we're going to focus on the following pattern. So in the very beginning, we're going to empty the lungs of all air, and then we're going to inhale for 4 counts through the nose, hold it for 7 counts, and then exhale through the mouth, making a whoosh sound almost forcefully for 8 counts. And we're going to repeat this cycle 4 times. When you practice this breath, it's very important that you keep the ratio. So if you cannot hold your breath for that long, maybe try a different pattern, but still keep the ratio. For example, the regular pattern is 4, 7, 8, but maybe try a shorter pattern like 2, 3.5, 4. Okay, let's try it all together. Take a comfortable sitting position. Put your hands anywhere on your lap that feels comfortable. I like to put my hands towards my knees with the palms facing up for receiving all of that positive energy. And you want to place your tongue on the roof of your mouth behind your top teeth. And try to keep it there for the whole practice. You may or may not choose to close your eyes. We're gonna practice 4 breath cycles of the 4-7-8 breathing. But if you would like to practice a shorter pattern, just skip the video to 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, let's start. Exhale through your mouth to empty your lungs. Close your mouth and inhale. 2, 3, 4, and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and inhale. 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and inhale. 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and inhale. 2, 3, 4, and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to practice 4 breath cycles of the shorter pattern. So it's going to be 2, 3.5, 4. To begin, exhale through your mouth to empty your lungs. Close your mouth and inhale. 2, hold. 2, 3, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, inhale. 2, hold. 2, 3, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, and inhale. 2, hold. 2, 3, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, and inhale. 2, hold. 2, 3, and exhale. 2, 3, 4. Alright, that was harder for me. I had to concentrate because I'm not used to the shorter version. Thank you so much for letting me guide you through your pranayama practice today. This is a great practice to do when you feel stressed or anxious. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a yogi emoji and check out this video for more stress relief tips and tools. Until next time, love and light.